So I like to teach my horses how to send through things, right? I don't want to lead them through things, because if I'm leading them through, like especially a very narrow gate, it can be very, very dangerous. Now, lucky for me, I've got myself a 7 Peaks round pin. Look at the width of my round pin gate, right? I don't have to worry about my horse funneling over the top of me and running over the top of me. But still, even with a really cool gate like this, I want to make sure that I can communicate to my horse to get out of my space, where she's not going to be on my heels, and get her to send through. There you go. What a sweetheart. Without coming over the top of me. And I want her to kind of turn around, but not just start plowing forward. Good. I want her to wait very patiently. And now I'm going to ask her again to come through the gate this direction. What a pony. And I'll bring her to a stop. I'm going to back her up, back onto her haunches. I don't want her coming over the top of me. And I'm going to send her through one last time here. Good girl. And I'm gonna back her up off of me. I know I said that was the last time, but I might do it a couple more times, because I want her to turn without coming forward towards me. So as I turn her, I'm gonna begin to, make it clear that, nope, don't come forward. Just move that hind end around. There, it's better. And I'm gonna come through again. I'll push her off of me there. The way that our ponies do things are so important. Move that hind end around. There you go. That was the best one yet. She moved that hind end without just plowing forward. And so when you're sending your horse back and forth, it's not about just getting them to go through safely, it's how they're doing it, right? Making sure that they are being patient with you, that they're not plowing forward past you, that they're not in a rush. I want her doing it nice, quiet, relaxed, without finishing up pretty heavy on the front end, like she has to come back into my space. And again, I can't say enough, let me bring her back through here, about how nice it is to work in an area. Good girl. Back up and move that hind end, move that hind end, move that hind end. There, where I've got a gate that's wide enough that I can do this type of training and work very, very easily.